Hi everyone. In this video I'm gonna cover functions. But before that I just want to apologize for not having been able to actually upload any videos because I had a hardware problem. But enough with my problems, let's just begin. So functions are reusable code, and you would want a function if you're gonna be using this code again and again. Alright? You see what I mean after a while. And okay, let's begin. So in order to define a function, you simply type def, which is short for define, and type the name of the function. In this case we'll say print message. Then you type two parentheses and a colon. So here in this line and below this line, everything that is intended will be executed, just like of the if blocks. So we just want to print a function and print a string, print this beautiful message. Okay, now let's see what will happen if I run it. Nothing. And this is because we haven't actually called our function yet. So if in order to call a function, you just type the name of the function, which is print message, and now if you see, print this beautiful message is actually printed because you have called our function. But this is really basic one. I mean, the function is really basic. So let's make one more complex one. So define. Okay, let's say in this function we want to take the year salary of someone. All right, so let's make it salary as its name, and here we'll say okay, monthly salary. Now this here is called a parameter, and I'll just explain what the parameter is. So now let's call our function, and here in the parentheses, when we call it, we have to give it a value, and this value can be a string, can be a number, can be everything you want, can be a boolean as well. So in this case, our, let's say, programmer makes $3,000 a month, right? Now in the year there are 20 months. Okay, months 20. Now let's create a variable which is monthly payment and make it to 0. So here we need to get our salary for the year. Now it would be 12 multiplied by 3,000, right? Now how are we gonna actually display that? Well, it's actually pretty easy. Print monthly payment, which is 0, plus the month, which is 12, multiplied by the monthly salary. And here, oops, it's months. Yep. So and here is our final code, and when we run it, we see that we get 36,000 for the year. Now this is actually pretty useful. I mean, by this I mean functions, because if you wanted to get the salary for many employers, you can just type this, and everyone who makes, let's say this guy makes 5,000, and this guy makes 2,000, and this makes 10,000. Now when you run it, you get everyone year's salary. Now this code is not really that big, but imagine if you have really big code and you have to use it over and over again. So there the function comes in play. Alright, so let's give you one more example. So in this case we'll use two parameters. So let's define print my name, and here we have my name and age. So now with this function we want to print what my name is and what my age is. Well, print my name is this, we will use string concatenation here, plus my name plus and I am age years old. So now we have to call it and print my name. You remember the name of the function and give our name. Let's say our name is Jonathan, Jonathan, and our age is 18. Now when we run it, we'll actually get an error, and this is because age is actually a number and you can't concatenate numbers, so we gotta make it a string, and this is by calling string and typing the integer. So in this case it will be string 18, and this will be converted to 18, not 18. Okay, so yeah, when we run it now, we should be okay. My name is Jonathan and I'm 18 years old. So simple as that. I hope you guys liked that video, and yeah, see you on the next video.